Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to see views on Facebook video. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner. Now, once you come to your profile, tap on the category of Reels in order to see the videos you have uploaded. Now, once you come here, you will already be able to see the views on your video. However, if you wish to see detailed insights, scroll up, and if you have a professional account, you'll see the category of Dashboard. Tap on it. Now, once you come here, tap on the Content category on top. From here, tap on a specific video or reel you have uploaded. Once you come to this page, under Overview section, you can scroll down below and you can see your audience reach. Over here, you can see total views on that specific videos as well. Who have watched the videos, followers or non-followers on your Facebook account. So this is how simply you would be able to see views on your Facebook video. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.